How to send live location on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the chat where you want to send your live location. Then click on paperclip-like option at the bottom. Then click on location in here. After you click on location, click on continue to allow access to your location. Then click on Share Live Location. After that, click on Continue, which will open this kind of page. At the bottom, you can select any time, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, then send it. After you send it, you're good to go. This is how to send live location on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.